Hey guys, today I would like to show you one of the plugins that I've been using lately on my master bus. Let's listen to what we have for this demonstration. We're gonna use BlackBox by Plugin Alliance. The interface is straightforward. I'm gonna enable air. We'll push the amount to 60%. We'll reduce our triode to 30%. Pentode to 70. We'll set this to low. We'll push our saturation a little bit, and we're going to use the alt tube. And let's listen to it. Here is before. After. Try it and let me know what you think.